It's pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very easy to use. You have quite a lot of stations which you can pretty much listen to. As you can see, I can scroll and look for Jamaican station, other popular stations around the world, but this is mostly based upon United States. As you can see, most United States stations, but it does have pretty much all the stations that you can think of, or if you can't find it while you're scrolling, you can go ahead and pretty much search the station. As you can see, if I do type in Jamaica, you're gonna see a few Jamaican stations which you can listen to. Here you can pretty much just tap on whichever station I want to listen to. Do make sure. So once you do tap on the station, as you can see here, it will pretty much show like this. You can tap on it to pretty much go ahead and pause it and play it. But do keep in mind, you're going to need internet connection. So that's pretty much it for that. And it's very, very simple to use. Nothing hard for you to not understand. And you may encounter a few ads while using the application. So do keep that in mind. And if you do have a favorite station that you listen to all the time, you can tap on the star icon here, which pretty much adds that station to your favorite list. And you'll be easily able to find that station, as you can see here. So if you do want to remove the ads, you may need to get their premium subscription. Here you can tap on the premium option, and you pretty much will see that they have a 7-day subscription, and pretty much their prices as it relates to their subscription. They have a 1-month subscription and a yearly subscription, and they do give you a free trial option, as you can see here, to test out their subscriptions or their premium feature, but it's pretty much removing the ads. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very simple and easy to use. Nothing hard for you to not understand. And with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.